Hello friends, in this video I wish to take up some basic concepts related to treatment of inequalities. Suppose we need to solve an inequality three x plus 7 is greater than 5. Now, certain steps which we can apply to solve an inequality are identical to what we apply in case of equalities. For example, I can transpose 7 from left to right, and since it is in addition on the left side, it will change to subtraction on the right side. So my first step will be 3x greater than 5 minus 7. Logic for this step follows uh, as if x is, let us say, greater than y, and if I add some number on both the sides, then still left side will remain greater than the right side. Similarly, if I subtract a number from both the sides, sign of inequality still remains same. So the procedure for transposition is dependent upon the fact that addition or subtraction of same quantity from both sides of inequality does not alter its sign. So based upon this principle, we can transpose terms from one side to the other, and then we will change the sign from plus to minus on the other side. This step is equivalent to subtracting 7 from both the sides to arrive from first step to second step. Now I can say 3x is greater than minus 2. Now, just like equations, if I divide both sides of the equation by the same number, equation remains unchanged. Same principle is applicable to inequalities. Just we have to keep in mind one more aspect, that if we divide both sides of an inequality by a positive number, sign of inequality remains same. So I will divide both sides by 3, which is equivalent to taking 3 in the denominator on the right side. So I arrive at this result that x is greater than minus root 3. This result can be expressed in various forms. I can express this result on the number line While plotting the results of inequalities on number line, it is up to us whether we put 0 on the number line or not, because our main concern is to indicate the critical points related to the inequality. So I will not be putting 0 on the number line. I will just locate minus 2 by 3, and x is greater than minus 2 by 3. So inequality implies that x can take any value towards higher side of minus 2 by 3. Now students of 11th class may already know the reason why I have made this open circle at the point x is equal to minus 2 by 3. This is because the point x is equal to minus 2 by 3 is not included in my solution. My solution says that x must only be greater than minus 2 by 3. Hence, I have kept an open circle to represent the point minus 2 by 3 not included in the solution. Now, other expressions for representing this solution are in the form of set notation, that x belongs to an interval going from minus 2 by 3 to infinity. Now in this interval notation which we study in the chapter on sets, we put semicircles or semicircular brackets at the endpoints to indicate that endpoints are not included. If minus 2 by 3 was to be included in the solution set, then we have used square bracket. So this would have been the solution if x was greater than or equal to minus 2 by 3. Infinity is never included in any interval, so towards the infinity side there will always be a circular bracket. It is interesting to know why infinity is never included in any interval. In my opinion, this is because infinity is only a concept, it is not a number. We can never attain infinity. Hence, it cannot be treated as endpoint of any interval. So this is the solution for my simple inequality. The solution comes out to be x is greater than minus 2 by 3. Here we have used two principles to solve the inequalities. One is addition and subtraction of same quantity on both sides does not alter the inequality. And second principle that we have used is that if we divide both sides of inequality by a positive number, sign of inequality remains unchanged. Thanks for watching.